Finding and ordering the right industrial equipment part shouldn't take hours. We make it simple. Welcome to IndustrialPDC.com, your parts source for forklifts, aerial platforms, skid steers, mini excavators, telehandlers, floor sweepers, and more. With over 6 million parts available, chances are we have exactly what you need to keep your machines running. The two best ways to find parts on IndustrialPDC are search by part number or ask us to help find the part for you. If you already have a part number, simply enter it into the search bar. You can search across the entire site or narrow your search within a specific OEM. Once you find your part, you can add it directly to your cart or save it to a parts list for future ordering. The parts list feature makes recurring maintenance and repeat orders incredibly easy. When you're ready to order, simply open your list and add the parts to your cart with one click. If you don't know your part number, click Ask a Pro. Provide your vehicle make, model, and serial number. Then provide us a description of the parts you're looking for. Our team will research the correct part and send you a link to a quote that you can use to quickly place your order. You can also reach us through live chat, phone, or email if you need further assistance. If you need to reorder parts, just visit your order history and copy all the order lines to your current order with a single click. When you're ready to purchase, our one-page checkout makes ordering fast and simple. A single click gets your parts on the way and you can move on to your next task. Parts researched, ordered, and shipped, same day, no delay. Visit IndustrialPDC.com and experience a faster, easier way to find the parts you need.